If your Instagram story is stuck on waiting for a connection, it usually indicates an issue with your internet connection or the app. So here are the steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. First of all, you have to check your internet connection. Ensure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile network. Try switching between your Wi-Fi or mobile data to see if the issue persists. And then restart your router if you're using Wi-Fi. You can also try restarting the Instagram application. Close the Instagram application completely from your device from your recent apps and then reopen the app and try uploading the story again. You can also try clearing the cache. For that, tap and hold on the application, tap on the eye icon in the top, scroll down and go to Storage and then click on Clear Cache. Restart the app and attempt to upload your story again. You can also try force stopping this application and re-enable it again. And then try uninstalling the application completely from your device and reinstall it using the Play Store or App Store. And if the app is outdated, you can go to Play Store or App Store according to your device, search for Instagram application, and once you find it, if you see an update button, something like this, highlighted in blue color instead of open, tap on it to update it to its latest version. And try reducing your story file size. Large or high quality videos or photos may take longer to upload, especially on the slow networks. So compress the file, reduce its size before uploading. And if the Instagram's data saver mode is enabled, it may restrict story uploads. For that, open your Instagram application and then tap on your profile picture icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the three lines in the top right corner. Once you're in the settings, scroll all the way down and go to data usage, which you will find as data usage and media quality. Tap on it and turn off data saver. Sometimes Instagram service might be down. Check if others are experiencing the same issue using the platforms like Down Detector, and then log out of your Instagram account and log back in. A simple restart can often fix temporary glitches in your device connectivity or app performance. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.